Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is October the 26th, 2022, and we are looking at, yes, you guessed it, our pomegranates. Okay, these guys are looking very, very healthy compared to what they were looking like in the middle of summer. So, in a previous video, I show you that we installed this planter to hold all those leaves and detritus in that were inoculated with beneficial bacteria and beneficial fungi. Now, these older pomegranates definitely are looking good, but the younger ones, I don't think they survive very well. However, going forward, we didn't get a single fruit this year, but I can understand why. There were, it was just too dry and too hot. However, we got some bulbs here, some flowers, and we might try to cross-pollinate these by hand using a simple Q-tip, just to see if we can get any fruit. It seems a bit late for these to produce, but we'll give it a try anyway. So at this juncture, it is looking like the soil is having a positive impact on the health of these pomegranates. Now these pomegranates, they actually like water. So before, they were just sitting in sandy soil. Now they're sitting in soil that's got beneficial bacteria, beneficial fungi, and is just loaded down with composting material, leaves and detritus, and even some food waste. So going forward into next year, I think that the results should be a lot better than we've seen in the past out of these pomegranates. And they're big enough now to where they can support fruit and not be overstressed. So let's keep our fingers crossed going forward. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as they help the channel grow. And stay tuned, as I'll keep you updated on the progress of these pomegranates. Have a great day.